How to fix Instagram Reels not playing on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not playing. First go to settings and then go to storage, click clean up. Now make sure you have enough space, just delete some photos and videos, and or you can just delete junk files here. And now after that just go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled, and then restart your phone and go back, try again, and if that doesn't fix it, go to ultra power saving mode. Now enable it, and make sure Instagram is not one of the apps in the ultra power saving mode, and if you found it there, just remove it. And I hope that can fix your problem. And then just disable power saving mode and come back here and open Instagram, and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.